Are you ever too old to have a hip replacement? It's a question I get asked a lot. We live in a world where the population is getting older very quickly. Advances in technology and healthcare can help people to get more out of their lives for longer. Take my father. He was 100 earlier this month. He's still living independently and having a great time surrounded by his friends. He's understandably getting a bit frail, but he never gives up. Thankfully, his hips are fine, but for many older people, hip pain due to arthritis can make life very difficult in all respects. Poor sleep, powerful painkillers, and limited mobility increase the risks of falling and losing your independence, or even worse. Dad's birthday made me think about how I approach the sometimes difficult topic of having a hip replacement in your 90s or even older. There's a lot of research into how we manage the medical problems that are an inevitable part of ageing. A recent study from New York University looked at over 14,000 patients who'd had hip replacements. They were divided into two groups, older and younger than 90. The study's findings were very interesting. The patients over 90 years old had a longer length of stay, but the risks of serious complications were similar to the younger group. This is just one of many studies that have shown that hip replacement surgery is safe for many older people. The decision to go ahead with hip replacement surgery is something that must be very carefully considered. How do we do this? Well, when I see you for the first time, I take a very thorough medical history. I want to know everything about your health problems, what medications you're taking, and what your home circumstances are. We'll talk about what surgery involves and what are the risks and benefits. I'll consult with my anaesthetist to see if he or she is happy to go ahead. Very often I'll ask specialists in older people's medical problems to have a look at you. This gives us an opportunity to tweak your medications, order any investigations that you might need to get you in the best possible condition for surgery. We might advise you to think about going into a nursing home for a week or two after surgery, or to arrange a package of care to support you at home. It's a big decision and it needs to be thought about very carefully. If we all agree that it's safe to go ahead, we'll arrange a date for your admission. After surgery, our physiotherapist will soon get you up and about, and within a few days, you should be ready to leave hospital. Occasionally we have to say no, because we just don't have the appropriate backup in the private hospital if things were to go wrong. In this case, we'd ask your GP to refer you back into the NHS. Our primary concern is your welfare, and we wouldn't want to do anything that wasn't in your best interests. But don't let age hold you back. With the right preparation and care, hip replacement surgery can offer you a new lease of life. It's never too late. If you'd like to know more about this or anything else to do with hip surgery, then please get in touch. The details are below in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all again next time.